My name is Brian Benson. I was born and raised in 29 Palms. I've worked in the construction and maintenance industry for 25 plus years. It's what I do with my life. I love it. The primary objective for me, the thing that I'm focusing on the most, is getting my students jobs in the construction industry. We accomplish that in multiple ways. First and foremost, I'm teaching students the basic skills they need: power tool, hand tool, communication, and job skills. The program is meant to provide workers for the construction and maintenance industry in the Morongo Basin. I focus on all the students being able to work together, an understanding of the leadership structure, a crew leader, and we have laborers and workers. What I attempt to do here in this class is to give some of the students an exposure on how that structure should work on most residential construction sites. A universal thought is that we don't have enough people working in this industry.
I work in the field now, in the construction field now, as a plumber, and I've done it off and on most of my life. The course has been fantastic. It's brought back a lot of stuff that I'd forgotten. The general knowledge has really helped getting back into construction again. The more knowledge I have, the more valuable I am to an employer.
A classmate said, I feel empowered after this class. Even going to the hardware store, it's like, oh, I know what I'm talking about now.
My name is Fabian Aguirre. I'm living in Joshua Tree. I've been living with my father ever since. He's been doing construction all his life. I'm doing 3-tab shingles, painting, drywalling, framing. Everything that I've been learning here has been exactly the same as me working in construction outside of school.
I think it's life-changing for a lot of young people growing up in this community to be able to get a quality education after high school without leaving home.